Well guys, it's Thursday. Something different today. We're down at the Riverwalk, downtown in Detroit. I got my buddy Cole with me. We're right over by the Detroit River. There's the Renaissance Center over that way. Cole is pulling me with the darn leash. Sorry about the sun glare. We got some Canadian geese walking around. Stop pulling me. Cut it out, Cole. Cut it out. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. No, you see those birds. So anyway, had a good day at work today. And decided I'd do something different. Now this isn't as close to home as the other parks are. This is a little drive here. Took me about 45 minutes to get down here. That's why I don't come down that much. Stop pulling me, man. But anyway, he's excited because he's somewhere different. It's been a while since we've been here. So he's real excited. Really anxious. And pulling like crazy. We're gonna make our way over to the lighthouse over here. Give you guys a view of Canada. That's Canada over there. So I'll let you guys take a look at that. That's the Canada shoreline there. That little patch of land right there, where that bridge is coming across, that's Belle Isle. So, anyway, we're gonna go further up this way. We'll get to the lighthouse. I'll let you guys see the lighthouse. Okay, there's the lighthouse there. And over there is the Renaissance Center. There's a guy over there fishing. I just passed a couple of guys over there. They got their e-bikes. And they come down here. Here's a sculpture or something. It's an anchor. Cole done jumped up on top. There's the lighthouse. Once again, there's Canada over there. So we're gonna go this way. Yeah. Guess this is the way in. Of course, that's probably gonna be locked. They don't want you in there. He done tied me up in this damn rope. So anyway, making our way on down. Another view of Canada. So, not many places you can be where you can be across the water from another country. So, you guys never seen Canada before. That's Canada over there. That's one of their casinos right there, casino and hotel. And Cole is dragging me. Anyway, making our way on down to the other part of the Riverwalk. Well, we made our way down to the other end of the Riverwalk. Stop pulling. There's a closer view of the Renaissance Center. Cole was really good. I found my my remote for the collar. Stop pulling, stop pulling. Stop that. It's kind of chilly out here, but it's really not bad. The sun is out. The colors are looking nice. Got kids playing over here. There's Caesar Hotel over there and casino. And we're making our way on further down. And as you can see, that bridge that goes across the water there. That's the Ambassador Bridge. They had to do a 360 because Cole had circled around me. That's the Ambassador Bridge there. It connects the United States to Canada. So, and like I said, the colors are really nice out here. Really nice. This is a nice little walk, but I have to keep Cole on a leash because he acts crazy. You all right? He just doing that because he's on a leash. If he wasn't on a leash, he wouldn't be doing that. Cut it out, man. Cut it out. But anyway, stop. This way. Anyway, he's in a new environment and he's having fun. So, good boy. See, he didn't bark at him. Only certain people he barks at. Come on. Come on. Get back up there. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Stop. We're right here at the foot of the Renaissance Center. Made our way down here to it. And it is open. We could go in. I don't know what their rules is when it concerns dogs. But we're here. Another view of the riverfront. More people walking. Another view of the Caesars Hotel over there across the way. See, can I zoom in on it? And that is Canada over there. Canadian Casino. Yep. I got Cole here on one of the steps. He's ready to go. His glow stick fell off of his vest. He ain't got tangled up in this. Be still, don't you move, be still. Be still. We have that. Just wanted to give you guys a look at this monument here. I didn't know it was made out of tin. Must be copper or brass. And this is the Detroit Princess. It's okay, the Detroit Princess. It's a riverboat that goes back and forth down the river. People can go on and take little mini cruises on this boat. They have food on there, restaurants. You got a dance floor. You can go on there for the weekend and have a little cruise up and down the river. It's pretty cool. This is a Hart Plaza. There's a sculpture. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it's in the summertime. It's a fountain. Water comes through it. It's pretty interesting. And there's the Stargate thing over there. It looks like they got some construction going on down here. Something going on. But anyway, the sun's going down. It's getting chilly. I'm gonna head back to the car. Well, the bathrooms down here are real clean. You really take good care of them. So, anyway, you got vending machines down here. And they got a merry-go-round. There's a restaurant there. People can get food and come out here and sit down and eat while they're hanging out. I think these bikes are for the security people. And again, they might be rentals, I don't know. Yep. So anyway, not too far from the truck now. Cole is still pulling it on me. Pretty nice. The sun is starting to go down more. It's getting more and more chillier as it gets further and further down to the horizon. But all good. Okay, stop pulling. No, he's acting better now. I don't like having him on a leash because he pulls. But since he's got to be on the leash, I'm going to let him pull and I'm going to tolerate it because he's getting a better exercise by doing that. Since he can't run around and stuff, at least he can get a little resistance. Oh, there's a drone up there. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I see it. I heard it come by. It's making its way across. Not sure who's controlling it. But it's up there. But anyway, I'm gonna make my way back to the truck. Well, we made it back to the truck. Anyway, get ready to get out of here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.